Okay, ISI 2018 PEA question number 14, integration 1 to t log x square dx is equal to 2, then what will be the value of t? So let's do it. Integration 1 to t, this can be written as 2 log x to the base e dx is equal to 2. Get 1 here. Now this can be used as integration by parts, taking into consideration the IIT rule. First I will be considering the logarithm part, then I'll consider the algebraic part, which is 1. So what will happen here is logarithm log x, integration of 1 is x, limits 1 to t, minus 1 to t, log x, derivative is 1 by x, integration of 1 is x dx, this is equal to 1. So this t log t minus 1 into log 1 is equal to 0, so that will be 0, minus this is integration 1 to t 1 dx, so this can be written as t minus 1. So t log t minus t plus 1 is equal to 1, or t log t is equal to t log t is equal to 1, therefore t is equal to e. That's my answer, C. If you like this video, please visit us at our website edusure.in. You can contact us here, and to see more about our courses you can see under the drop down here. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.